The Suzuki Swace is a family estate car, closely resembling the Toyota Corolla Touring Sports. It's a more affordable option with a hybrid engine, offering low emissions and running costs. The Swace shares much of its design with the Corolla, featuring a slightly altered front end and a unique steering wheel. It offers two trims, Motion and Ultra, with standard features like LED headlights and a reversing camera. The Swace provides a comfortable ride, balancing suppleness and control. It handles well in leisurely driving, with accurate steering. However, it lacks the agility of rivals like the Ford Focus Estate and Skoda Octavia Estate. Inside, the Swace offers adjustable seating and a standard 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The infotainment system is intuitive, though it lacks physical buttons. The interior feels plush with soft touch materials, though some details feel less premium. The Swace offers ample space for passengers and luggage, with a 596-liter boot. Rear seats fold in a 60/40th split, providing flexibility for carrying larger items. With prices starting from £25,750, the Swace is competitively priced. Its hybrid engine achieves impressive fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for both private and company car buyers.